copycat, gusto mo ng copycat crime. Ayun ang delikado dito eh. Kasi nga nakikita sa video games na napakadali bumatay ng tao. Tingin nila, ay, ginawa doon. Kaya ko rin to.
So I have to go to
Please, use 911. Kung may makita kayo na kahit konti lang signs na may
and
trouble
she
news,
has
kaibigan nyo, kamag-anak
to
nyo,
show
kapatid nyo, anak nyo, kung may makita kayo,
I don't know
any
what to
possible
have.
language sa mga post nila, o pag-uusap sa chat group, i-report nyo kagad sa 911. 911 works. Within 5 minutes, dumating ang first
There's some
responders.
grass over here.
Sa lahat ng nangyayari
I guess
yan,
it's just
let
gonna
us
take
be
all
the
my
first responders in this. Call 911.
It's gonna start raining. Put all over the face.
Yes.
Put it in the
Hindi
face.
mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na hindi siya seryoso. Any threat is considered light
Okay.
until it is neutralized.
So nasa she's gonna.
So, hindi mo pwede sabihin na pagbasa ng post, ay wala to. Hindi pwede ganun. Basta may makita kayo na kahit konti man na babala na merong mangyayaring karubag-duman, magsabi kayo kagad. Tumawag kasi kayo sa 911, sabihin niyo kung ano nakita niyo para ma-investigate ka. It will go a long way in stopping you into a repeat of what happened last Monday. Aliman?
Mom is just gonna
Gasa to, okay?
change
Wala na sabihin.
Sir,
The kid is not charged with anything. Again, 14
because
years
she's
old.
tired.
sir,
Nasa bahay niya.
And she has the work.
Hindi,
Some
yun
work
nasa
to do. She
DSWD
just gotta
para
go.
interview. Pero
Something.
he cannot be charged with anything. Or she cannot be
Uh,
charged with
sir, pakilinaw lang doon sa liabilities ng gun owner. Yung police,
So make
at saka yung nakaregistered sa
Ang liability lang ay
and her
malversation.
credit
So,
card.
police property ginamit ng
Phone
iba
to
not for the intended use. Ayun ang ayun ang infirmity ng batas. Walang concomitant responsibility ang gun owner kung gamitin ng iba ang baril nila para pumatay ng tao. Where, I believe,
let's go.
dapat kung may baril ka,
And I
nakalock and key at ikaw ang sole responsible person basta naka-research siya sa iyong baril.
So
Okay.
I
Thank you, sir.
have to my backpack. And there's a
Yes, this is the first. This is the first.
very
May na-recorded history ha. Wala pa kaming na nag-research ka na eh. Wala pa kaming nakikita.
Gosh.
Again, extra.
Gosh,
It is up to them. Hindi ko ma-confirm kung ano sinabi nila.
Dad has some work to do.
I don't know what information they have. But the information I have is that
Dad
avid
only
fan
has
sila
some
ng
talk.
Gore Box.
And I thought there was gonna be a birthday.
I think so. Lahat sila avid fans ng Gore Box.
Okay, so that.
So yung
So
game
we
na yun,
have
sa mga
to.
magulang, panoorin yung mga magulang, mga anak nyo. Kasi napakadelikado ng
Okay. So you have to repeat. So I will put my bag up here.
That is, ayun ang
just a
infirmity
crap.
ng batas. Walang
And I
liability ang
love
magulang.
her back.
Ayun ang
My
infirmity.
mom too.
So, gagawin namin na lahat, re-recommend namin sa
We're just gonna talk to
prosecution.
each other.
Pero nakalagay sa IR ko lahat, tinignan ko na lahat ng libro. Tapos sa IRR, yung gun ownership, civil lang ang liability nila.
Since the food is
Oh
gonna be
yes,
so
magre-recommend
good,
kami.
I accidentally forgot something
Okay, thank you very much.
that we're gonna be in the game, but I'm still gonna have.
May batas po ba para
So let
kasunod
me
yung mga may-ari po ng baril?
Again pa?
Meron po bang batas para
since
kasunod yung mga may-ari po
want
ng
chicken
baril?
Ayun nga sinasabi ko sa'yo, there is an infirmity in the law
Nawala po.
na wala. So far, wala pa kami
So
nakikita.
yeah,
So,
music.
it will be our new
And you have some
good, no? Civil lang so far, nakita namin sa IRR. Pero pwede nyo pa i-research yan, correct niyo ko kung mali ang nakita nyo.
Since you started
Hindi, siya meron siyang liability dahil ano siya, kasama siya sa armed forces.
with
Nasa
Coke.
service.
Isn't that like
Liability
Coke?
siya. Hindi ko pa alam, but it's up to the judge to... Again, nakikirami po kami sa mga nasawian ng buhay na anak.
Food is ready,
Lahat
so
po tayo dito, may
we're
mga anak rin.
we're
And yung nangyari niyan, tragic as it may seem, can be preventable if we pass the right laws and amend the charter of the governorship. Okay? I am a gun owner because the nature of my job, kailangan ko may baril ako. But I keep everything under lock and key. Lahat kayo kasama doon sa shoot test na ginawa natin. Di ba? So, everyone here should know their responsibility. And my heart, dumudugo ang puso ko para doon sa mga kayo na anak. Noong dinala lang sa eskwelahan, pangalang hindi ko pala napasok, kung biglang may nangyari ganyan. It could have been prevented had we been more careful. Meron talagang nakalagay na responsibility.
So I'm not just going to work. I'm just going to let's go down because that is what we do. We go outside. We don't have anything
Ang
from
panawagan ko lang talaga,
there.
kung may makita kayo,
We're not just going here.
Pangalawa,
And then
nilideploy na
gonna
namin
say
sa
goodbye
ELG
to
yung
us.
mga tanod na tumulong
And
sa
this is gonna be a
peacekeeping
great
sa
time.
eskwelahan. Okay,
Since we
pangatlo,
don't have school
we
because
recommend
there is
na kung may
a
bullying sa
school
eskwelahan,
shooting in our
i-report ka agad sa
school.
principal para ma-resolve ang kaso. Okay?
Report no.
Thank you, friend. Last na. Okay.
Sir, gumawa po ng task force si
Sir.
Manila Mayor Isko. Nire-recommend po ba natin to sa ating LGUs na gumawa ng similar task force po?
Mayor Isko is a very proactive mayor. Magaling na mayor niya. So, gumagawa siya ng mga hakbang niya.
I was
Pero
going to my
sa mga mayor,
school.
recommend kami na yung mga barangay tanod,
So let's go. We're gonna make it already.
in,
For me, since I am the only one to be first.
sa mga campuses natin.
And there's
Bawal
someone in
ka na
this
sa loob.
too.
Okay, thank you very much.
I don't know who
Thank you very
that
much, sir. And
is.
that includes our press briefing this morning with our Secretary of the
I don't
Department
know
of
where's the
State
sounds
Local
there. Okay, Mom is gonna be here. And my friends already prepared them. I'll just go. I'm not just forget
Sa
about
puntong ito,
my
makakasama natin
friends
live.
though.
Sa puntong ito, makakasama natin live dito sa PRTV Prime Studios si Dr. Randy De Losa. Siya po ay isang
This is
psychiatrist.
my BFF. His
clinical
absent today, so
psychologist. Welcome po sa
our
Arangkada
teacher's
Balita,
gonna be
Doc.
teaching
Thank you,
us.
Lydia. Thank you.
Thank you for coming, Doc. No, dalawang araw po
Teaching
matapos
us,
ito nga
or
walang habas na
I don't
pamamaril
know
dyan
what
sa
teacher
eskwelahan
is
sa
teaching
Tacloban.
us. I know
Kung
what
saan
decisions
apat na
are
po ang sinasabi na matay.
Something that
Una,
we
tatlo,
don't
ngayon
wanna do.
apat na mga estudyante. Bilang isang psychiatrist,
So I was gonna answer, and I'll be the one answering, and the teacher told me because
na
I'm
krimen. Ano
sure.
po ang naging trigger
There's
kaya
gonna
nila?
be three.
Yun
The teacher put
ito
green
nangyari, no?
and
Very
said
sad
that
thing, very tragic. It's never
we think
expected and then
some
it
A in
happened,
class.
you know.
How they class?
It could be anything.
Teacher's just
I'll
gonna
give
be
you something.
giving me
People
the
say it's
test.
bullying,
And I'm so
about
super
games.
happy
Pero we
because
don't know, baka it's just about
something in my
fun.
mom's work is gonna be so far away.
Even,
I
very
don't know
more
why
disturbing.
mom's
Disturbing.
work is gonna be
It's
so
because you're just having fun.
Yes.
My school is so close. This is where she works. I could just
Yes.
walk all the way to there so I don't get crashed.
It's
So
not just
mom will
one.
be protected
Ito
by
yung tinatawag na
me. I don't know
fallacy
where
of
she
the single
went.
cause. Akala natin isang
Okay, and
reason
this is
lang.
her work
Opo.
today.
Actually, you have to identify all the factors, all the
This is
conditions
her work.
para ma-resolve ba ang lahat ng conditions.
Okay.
Yes, I'll give you an example. Meron kayang mental health
And
issues.
this is
Diba?
her.
Is it depression? Is it
This is her
anxiety or whatever?
boss.
Is it a life condition? Baka naman nabubuli sila. Baka may domestic violence.
That's gonna be so
Is it just
great.
accessibility ng gun?
See you in the next video.